welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open golden kinetic sand. Metallic golden kinetic sand. Can you talk?
Yes. Kinetic sand.
Yeah.
Golden, metallic golden color,
yes,
right?
it says
Previously you got an original one, right?
yeah, but that color does not stick to, it sticks to my hand though. Maybe it melted a little bit. How am I supposed to open it? Scissors, please! Okay, let's try to open it with my fingernails, but I do have the scissors first. Okay, so let's get...
It's easy. Give me your...
Not gonna open
No,
it.
it's easy.
I can't open it. No, there's in the top, there's something you can peel off.
Yeah, you can peel it off there.
I did not see it. Sorry. Okay, that...
It hurt?
Yeah, it hurt my finger.
It's easy peasy, right?
Not
It's
a
quite
piece
easy.
of cake. It's not a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake, I
No,
told
it's
you.
not. I got a lot of Play-Doh loads.
Yes, you got a whole pack of kinetic sand, golden.
Yeah, it's pretty gold.
Ooh.
There's no molds.
How many packs you got? You're going to get 2 packs?
It's only a little metallic. There's no sparkles in there, though. But it's okay. Let's just take it out. Should we cut it open? But what if it goes on the table? It's okay? You can clean it off?
Yeah, you clean it off later.
We clean it together.
Yeah, you need to cut it bigger. Or else you cannot get the sand out from the bag.
But there's this. You help me. Okay, you open it. I'm scared. Yeah, I got the imagination. Yeah, let's take it out. Hey! I'm gonna put it on the table or in this tray.
Yeah, you can do it on the tray. If you spray it over everywhere in the room, mommy will complain, right?
Yeah.
That's such a close-up of how
Is
you...
this enough getting out of it? I probably think that's enough. I don't wanna,
Oh, you look like someone.
Ah, shit. That's
Yes.
what you always say when it's brown. Okay, let's get out of the bag. Here you go. Sweat. Okay, listen. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere else.
So a little bit sparkle, you can see the sparkle.
I cannot see it. Ah, it's so... Ugh, it goes out so easily though.
Yeah.
It's kind of sticky. But...
You want to make some shapes?
Sure, let's make some shape. Let me
Well,
flat
actually
it.
these shapes are from Play-Doh.
Yeah, from Play-Doh. I want to make a butterfly.
Well, actually we got a lot of Play-Dohs.
Can you give me the butterfly mold? The blue
butterfly?
one. It's right here. Thank you. I'm going to make the butterfly.
Golden butterfly, right?
Golden butterfly. Oh, just molds super easily. Just gonna mash it. Yeah, it's flat now. Ah. Totally feel like the real flattest flying sand. Look, it just crumbles up. That doesn't look golden. It looks orangey.
You look like brown. You look like...
It looks like poop.
yeah.
No, you can slightly see a little bit of yellow golden sparkles in there though. Yeah, so this is the golden sparkle. I wouldn't have to talk that loud.
Or you want to make some other thing else? You want to make what?
Gingerbread man.
Okay, gingerbread man. Where's the gingerbread man?
Do you see
You make it.
It's purple.
Gingerbread man or
Yeah.
a dog bone?
A gingerbread man. As I say, I make what I say. You don't.
What's that? What's this?
This, wait, turn it over. The dinosaur. Now fake both of them. Oh no, it's getting all over.
It's okay. Now you mold it.
Let's clean it. Now let's mold it. Okay, let's take it out.
It's a gingerbread man. Oh, actually, you like. Oopsie. It really look like gingerbread.
Yeah.
The color look like gingerbread.
Yeah, gingerbread man. Oh no. This is how much you can put in the gingerbread man.
You know how to make a piece of poo?
Yeah. Actually do. You just... Ew!
It's from diarrhea?
Yeah, it's from diarrhea. I guess.
Oh, that's disgusting. Diarrhea.
What is diarrhea?
You got some problem on your stomach.
Diarrhea means you got problems on your stomach. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Okay, do we have to add more sand or something?
Yeah,
Or
sure.
can we mold something else?
Yeah, what you want to mold now?
I'm itchy. Give me the lid! No, the lid! Do you see that blue thing or that one? No, that one! Yes. Why not? Let's just put it in the middle of here. Just make some space. This lid, let's make the... What about the croissant? Because this actually looks like bread. Let's put it in. Yeah, the croissant. Come on, Sam, go get the croissant. You're a croissant now. And the heart, not in the heart, because I'm not making the heart. Croissant.
It's not that easy. It doesn't work well.
Let's make a tarantula. But there's no tarantula mode. What shall I do? Make the heart. It's too late, so I have to make the heart. Okay, let's keep making. It's inside the mold now.
How about golden Christmas tree?
Sure. Actually, that's so pretty. Why is the music so poor? Okay, let's keep going. Let's move the Christmas tree up. Let nobody see the Christmas tree ever again.
Well, Christmas is coming in 2 months' time, actually.
Can
Now,
you say it in Cantonese? No.
why? Well, you're okay. You can say something Cantonese, Portuguese, Mandarin.
No, Cantonese.
French.
Because I always speak Cantonese on my mom.
To your mom.
To my mom.
What's that?
Nothing. Can you give me?
Can you give me?
What is?
I don't know what you're talking.
Can you give me the popsicle mold, please? And the lollipop. This one. Ew! Disgusting diarrhea. Oh no, it's getting out.
You're making some poo popsicle.
No. It's orange chocolate popsicle with orange flavored cream.
You look like poo.
No, it's not. It's not poo. Turn it on the other side. Let's get some sand on the other side too. So we can make the real life popsicle. Let's keep putting it in.
Well, some of your video eat a lot of popsicle.
Yeah.
From Korea, from Germany, from Taiwan, from Bangladesh.
We did?
Yes, you got a lot from Korea and Taiwan, I guess.
I don't think we have some from Taiwan.
Yes, Taiwan. Remember you went to a museum and you got one.
What kind of popsicle then?
And you have some popsicle from 7-Eleven. I can't remember the
The
flavor.
peanut butter?
Maybe.
The peanut butter one was
I can't
from
remember
Korea.
which one. And in Germany you got a lot. I remember you got one look like what? Watermelon.
Yeah.
Did you try anyone from Bangkok? I can't remember from
I
Bangkok.
don't think so. Okay, let's wait. Count to 10, guys. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, let's open. Oh, perfect! Look.
Yeah, let me have a close up.
Cool, but it's separate.
Close.
It's broken now.
Oh, never mind.
It's always. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye bye. We want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. Bye.